What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your phone number from TikTok even if you don't have like access to the old number. I am going to show you exactly how you can remove it from TikTok even though you don't have the old number, like I said. So but if you still have access to the old number, let me show you exactly how you can remove it. And I'm also going to show you how to remove it without having access to the old number. So if you have access to the old number, you want to click three lines in the top right corner, and then you want to click settings and privacy. After that, you want to click manage account in the top. Okay, so after that, you will see here phone number in the top. Okay, you want to click it, and here you have to click unlink phone number. Okay, just click the second option. All right, now you have to continue and link. Just click in the bottom, continue and link, and you will send your verification code, and your phone number is going to be deleted or removed from TikTok. But however, if you don't have access to the old number, here is exactly how you can remove it completely from TikTok without having the access to the old number. So you want to click three lines in the top right corner, and then you want to click settings and privacy, and you want to scroll down a little bit where it says here report a problem. Okay, in there support, you want to click report a problem here. After that, you want to click you want to click this paper in the top right. You want to click this paper with the pen in the top right, click it, and you want to click it again. I want to click it again, this paper, the pen. All right, now you have to explain here, hi, I don't have old phone number anymore, and I want to remove it. Or however, if you want to change the phone number, you can just, if you want to change, just explain to them that you don't have the access to the old number anymore, and you want to change it. They will find the solution within 24 hours, and they'll get back to you very soon. But make sure, like I said, to send the message and then click report, okay, in the bottom, and you will send your message. You will see it in the notifications tomorrow, like within 24 hours. If you guys want to get 1,000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen. Maybe it will solve your problem, because you can just create another new account and you will get a lot of followers on the new account. Click in the video in the screen.